Can I say, man, tell us toast? I ain't gotta brag, ain't gotta boast. I ain't made it yet, but damn it, I'm close.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope y'all doing good and staying blessed. As you can see, we are in the nighttime at another car show, and yep, got my homies Type R's here, everything like that. You can see them right there in the background. I'll show you guys those in a little bit. But yeah, this is a big car show, bro. This is at the Metro Parkway. It's called like the Culture, something like that, Culture with a K. But yeah, so before we start this video, if you guys could please like and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and blessings to everybody, and let's take a walk around, y'all. So let's start with this one. Got a championship white here. Got the light on so you guys can see it clear. A little GoPro attachment thing. This one's got the Takeda ASD, right? Nice. Carbon fiber too. Okay. Nice. Got the LE here. What's up, man? Want to say what's up to the channel, bro?
What's good?
You guys seen him before? This is limited edition one. Nice. Got the anime and stuff. That's cool. That's cool touch. Nice.
What's up, Jay?
Oh, there's Brent. Brent, say what's up, man.
Yo!
Channel. All right. What's up, bro? What's going on? All right, so we got a Valley Red here with the Volt T37. There's a special edition. I'm trying to talk in the mic as loud as I can. It is really loud in here, you guys, like super loud. All right, boom, there we go. Let's give this a little more light. There we go. Nice. PRL. HV. I remember I used to have this with the wrap. PTP turbo blankets. Alright. Darren's car. You guys want to say what's up, man, to the channel?
What's going on, guys?
I interrupted the conversation, but Darren, right there. As you guys see, he's in the night though, look.
Yeah, that's bright light.
Don't let the light blind you, man.
I can't see anything but spots now.
We'll snip the fence so you can get through.
Right? Yeah.
No, but
Darren's.
That's going to be a lot of the
PRL inlet. He's got the Mishimoto oil catch pan, the blade strut bar, just like me. Also, he's got the Mishimoto, just like me.
It was.
I mean, 2.0's been that most reliable.
Another SGP. This is. I'm not sure whose this one is actually. All right, here's Brent's though. His SGP, right? Okay. You guys seen this on the channel before. Remember, this is a nighttime car show, folks. So just walking around showing the Type R's. That's what we're here for. There's a whole bunch of other cars here, like Q50s, 350Zs, 370Zs, Pontiac GTOs, Honda Civic SIs, WRXs. STIs, everything like that, which are over that way. There's some Civic SIs, right? Okay. Nice. Just walking. There's some Camaros. There's a 250. A lot going on here. They got like food truck all the way over there, right? Okay, nice underglow. GTO. Wow, look at those wheels, yo. Deep dish. Nice. Okay. Alright. Oh man, this bright is bright. Hold up. Look it out. Put the little light flicker on, you guys, give it a nice effect.
It's kind of like,
right?
I didn't get spotted at all.
The only thing is I rarely drive like that. I
And I'll be driving the same area. I only get spotted when I don't drive the same area. When I keep like
Pretty cool. Here's an STI.
I got spotted in my.
It's loud in here, you guys. I'm really talking to the mic as loud as I can, okay? So I'll adjust the volume with editing and everything, but geez, super loud in here. I don't know if it's picking it all up or not.
I know the guy.
Nice carbon fiber hood. Alright, let's see. Nice weaves. Okay, tri-slot. Alright. The STIs are cool, man. They're cool. What is this, a GTI? Okay. Oh, got a Supra here. Let's throw that.
I like the color. It goes well, like.
Alright, you guys see me? See what I'm saying? They got music everywhere. Let me get out of here. Hold up. But yeah, my car is not even, it's like in the show, but it's on the side because the spots are all full, or at least they were. And it's like, bro, I had to park on the side, you know? So hold up.
Yeah, I saw that.
Okay, I got a BMW. Not very familiar with BMWs. Nice. 250, right? Audi.
Those are badass too. Corolla hatchbacks. I was gonna get them. They're not badass. I put a lot of money, so I gotta keep.
What are those, 24s? Got chopper in the sky. This is one hell of a show, y'all. I'm just doing a walkthrough as fast as I can so I can show you guys the cars. That's what this channel is all about. People's projects, Skylyfe projects, right? Checking out everybody. There we go, that's on, okay. Okay. I'll show you guys where my car is real quick. Check this out. Check this shit out, man. I'm on the fucking side, bro. Look. I'm literally on the side of the road. Yeah. And there's like tons of spaces now. So I don't know if I should enter it or what, but I'm about to leave because I didn't even get a spot. I came here like an hour and 18 minutes late. I got kids, got a wife. So it's like I gotta plan them around them too, you know? It is what it is, right? Alright, that's a walk around. This is just a quick video. But on the channel coming up, you guys, we have a lot, okay? I just ordered a Mishimoto oil cooler kit in silver, so that's coming up. Stay tuned for that. Also, to top things off, I got the turbo blanket. Stay tuned for that. And Hondata is coming up. Can't wait for this car to be tuned, man. So Hondata is coming up. I got to get that ECU for the 2021 Type Rs. Got to have the jailbreaker, etc. But yeah, we're gonna do a base map first, and after we run the base map, I'm gonna get a custom tune with Variable Stage 2, or I'm going Rampage. So one of those two, I promise you guys, it's one of those two. Still doing research on what custom tune I want. but that's down the road. That is not right now, but we have a lot coming up. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is a shorter video for sure. It's just a night car show. It's hard to get the right lighting in here. It's hard to get the right audio, but at the end of the day, I just wanted to show you guys what's going on here in AZ Metro Center. Much love and blessings. This was the Kulture Car Show, Skylyfe Projects. We out.
Team, only things we talk about. Money coming in faster than it's ever been, like Cali. All we do is win. Posted in the valley. Cash moves everything around me. Like a money pool, you see me drowning. System in the trunk, bump bitches like the way it be sounding. Fill my cup up for the one.